PSA barbers, please stop overusing enhancements on haircuts. It shouldn't look like you use half the bottle on one person. In this video, I'm going to show you a way to apply it without overdoing it. The most common method for using enhancements is using this airbrush with Kiss Express diluted about 50% with alcohol. The only downside of using this is that it may be a little difficult to control how much of the color comes out of the gun. And that's the main cause of the oversaturation of color. The same applies to the aerosol cans that has the color already pre-mixed. I don't use enhancements often, but I do prefer Tune 45 just because it has the drip nozzle and that's all you need is a few drops. So that's the method that I'm going to teach you guys today. All you need is a small paintbrush. And this way you can actually apply it directly to the hairline. And it gives you a better consistency. You can actually blend it in the hair. See how I'm just tapping the brush? That way it's actually staining the skin. That's what makes an enhancement last. Staining the skin is what will make it actually last a few days. In my opinion, this method also gives a more natural look. It doesn't look so cosmetic. And if you mess up, just simply take a paper towel and remove it while it's still wet. Then go back and just reapply in areas that you need to touch up. And that's the good thing about this method. You can actually do this on yourself or others. The paintbrush allows you to get maximum coverage and use minimal product. And you just do the same thing on the sides. And once again, if you mess up, just simply grab your paper towel and while it's still wet, just remove what you need to. You can also use a brush to distribute the product evenly. Don't rush through this. Take your time and just gradually work your way across the entire line. Check your work. And then now, so as you guys know, if you've been following this channel, I have a very weak side on my right side. So here you can just see how I'm just using the brush to fill in that spot. See how that brush allows you to manipulate it and it blends well with the actual color of the hair. It's not too dark. Sometimes when you use the spray out of the airbrush, it sprays out and it leaves a very shiny coating on the hair. And then you'll sometimes have to come back with hair fibers to touch it up. It just doesn't look as natural. And then finally, to put on the finishing touches, just go back and tap the edge of the line up with the trimmer and it will make it pop just that much more. If this video was helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.